Everybody, I was just about to watch a movie when I realized I hadn't put a video up. So I figured since I had something to put up, might as well. Oh. What do these videos make me want to yawn? This is my thoughts on the Rachet and Clank series. My opinion? Well, yeah, I'll have to go with my opinion on the Ratchet and Clank series. If it'll fit. If not, it'll be my opinion on Ratchet and Clank. Let's go with the first game. I bought this at Just Replay, one of the many games I bought from there. It is my least favorite. I'm probably gonna let a lot of people take at this. The boss in this, the final boss, was one of the hardest final bosses I've ever fought. And the game is extremely glitchy. I don't like the way it feels. I'm not a huge fan of the weapons either, except for the Tesla claw. Tesla coil? I don't know. Stop! Also, is Clank looking evil on the cover? This was the second? No, third game I would understand. But this? I don't know. I mean, it is the first game that was released, but still, I don't like how glitchy it is. I want to get a PS3 and get the PS3 remake. This is one of the games I'm looking forward to. Remake of next would be Going Commando. Also, sorry. The instruction book doubles as a poster, which I like. Stop! But I don't like that Clank is in backpack mode. This instruction book is also pretty neat because it's in a sleeve and it opens like this. Pretty cool. My opinion on Rachet and Clank Commando. I prefer the boss is the easiest, I believe, out of all the games that I've played. My brother had trouble with him, but I didn't because I used the Tesla claw, coil, whatever. So yeah, I like the Blitz cannon. Yeah, the upgrading system is better in this game as well. Now, is anything else less glitchy? Yeah. Now, my favorite Ratchet and Clank game, as well as my favorite sub-name for a game, Up Your Arsenal. I don't think I have a no, I don't have an instruction book with this. Okay, I like the weapon upgrading system in this better. Stop! The final boss was annoying, but not as annoying as the first games. Still annoying, but not as. I don't know if I prefer the armor in this or not. I don't know. But yeah, I didn't 100% this and get the Insomniac Museum. This is a short video. You like the game, luckily. I have an instruction book to this. It's thick too. Ratchet deadlocked. It's better than this first game. I don't know about the second. The first 2/3 of it, I think that's better than the second game. Don't even. Stop. But yeah, it is unforgiving though. One of the things I don't like about it, the series, I believe in general, you die, you have to buy all your ammo again. So it's like, dude, you just killed me. Give me my make me restart. Give me my ammo. I changed the control as soon as I started because you had to like use both analog sticks to move. I'm like, no, please no. And luckily, I was able to fix it. But yeah, my opinion is higher than most, but it's still okay. I mean, it's still not a good game, but yeah. I'd play it again before I played. Ratchet, what are you? Stop! Seriously. Next is actually on one, despite the fact I'm showing two. A dual pack. The game is Rachet and Clank. Is that on top or bottom? Top. Final boss fight is weird because it was like it's a time button thing. And I don't like the minis, like playing as Ratchet or Quark. Can't do the R's. Oh. But yeah, I like the whole top secret on the instruction book. Also, another thing, if you open the game up, see, it has like designs on the back. I like it. The game is actually my PSP game case in here. It has a huge theme on Secret Agent. I said the name was Secret Agent Clank, didn't I? I should have. But it has a huge theme on it. The weapons are disguisable. You actually do stop people at times. Oh my goodness. So annoying. Why am I so tired suddenly? But yeah, I like it. I'm not sure how well I like it. I don't like playing as anyone other than Clank. I prefer Clank's controls in this game as compared to his controls in the other games. But then again, his controls are like Ratchet's. But yeah, next is a game I do not have, but my brother does. Size Matters. That boss, you know what? That boss was the toughest. Not the first game. First game's second. But that boss was the toughest. Stop! I don't like something though. It's someone betrays you. And it's like I always wanted to see the reaction when the main villain reveals something. I know I'm not being specific, but I don't want to win it. Oh my goodness, stop! But yeah, that's my opinion. I really like it. Out of the three major Sony platformers, which would be Ratchet and Clank, Sly Cooper, and Jak and Daxter, my favorite would be Ratchet and Clank. Alright, I guess I'm gonna stop. Yeesh. What in the world? Oh, well, I'm gonna end this video now. Oh my goodness. See you all next time. Bye. Hope that all stop.